Hi, I'm Aditi Kothekar, and I'm going to teach you a little bit of Mandarin today. People say Mandarin is difficult. Well, it's not difficult, it is different. It has a lot of things that we have never learned till today in any other language. It has tones, which means every word has a tone to it. You have to say that word in that tone. If you don't, it may mean something else. But you know what? That happens with English also. If I have to say what, what, and what, it may mean different things by the tone I speak the word. Now, you only have to remember that the differences are quite a lot when you're learning the language. So, when you are saying the word ma in this tone, when you say ma, it may mean a horse. But when you say ma of mama, mother, is what it means. So a horse may be ma and mother may be ma. That's the kind of difference that's there with the tones. Now, people also say, oh, the characters look so difficult. Yes, they do. But have you seen logos of companies? They also are pictorial representations of these companies. So, a Mitsubishi having a particular logo may be selling cars, and another Mitsubishi having a different logo, the same word though, are selling cranes. So it's just like that. So when you have one logo for, say, water that you've learned in the earlier video, we have another logo that says tea. So when I want to put them together in a sentence, for example, when I have to say the word I drink water, I'm using three logos. One for I, one for drink, and one for water. So when I want to say I drink tea, I only remove the logo for water and put the logo for tea instead. That's how the logos work. And the more number of times you see those logos, the better you remember it. So it is not all that complex. Third thing, people say that the words sound so different, but it's just because it's a foreign language and you haven't heard those words before. Once you get used to them, even for a week, they just start seeming like they're your words. So let's start with how the language is easy. So now let me tell you why the language is actually easy. When you start learning a new language, you have to learn a lot of vocabulary. You know, when I started learning, say, French, I had to learn words for January, February, March, April. I also had to learn words for weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I had to learn so many other things in terms of vocabulary, like what an aeroplane is called, what a mobile is called. In Mandarin, it is very, very easy to know these words. Once you know the numbers 1 to 30 or 50, you automatically know the names of the months also, because you're just doing month 1, month 2, month 3. Or actually, the first month, second month, third month. In terms of weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday is called the weekday 1. Tuesday is weekday 2. Friday is weekday 5. So that's how you do the weekdays also. In terms of logical words, a washing machine is called a machine to wash clothes. An aeroplane is called a flying machine. A mobile phone is called a hand machine. So a lot of words are just combinations of other words that you've learned. So it is extremely easy and fun because it's a very logical language. Second thing, why I say it's easy, because a lot of pronunciations are easy for us Indians to speak. If you can say the word j or ch or ch, there are a lot of chs in the language though. So if you can use that, if you know the differentiation, it's quite simple. The Marathi ts is also an extremely important pronunciation in the language. So if you're an Indian, I don't think pronunciation is all that difficult for you. Third thing, the grammar is quite simple. You are not conjugating the verbs. So, for example, when I say I drink water, he drinks water. So, I'm changing the word from drink to drinks because he is doing it. In Mandarin, it's just like I drink water, he drink water, she drink water. And if she's not drinking the water, she'll just say she no drink water. So you don't have to do, oh, she is not drinking water or she doesn't drink water. All that is just not there. And if she say drank tea yesterday, I will just say yesterday she drank tea, or she drink tea rather. Tomorrow she drink tea. So it is very, very easy to construct sentences. You just need to know a few words here and there that you can add as suffixes or prefixes to the language and just make the sentence like that. So that's why now it is difficult for me to learn other European languages after I've learned Mandarin. I am now going to teach you how to read a little bit of Mandarin. All right. So here's this word. This word is the word for a person. It's called ren. Ren. Okay. It is just like a person standing. Okay. Now, if this person stands with his arms stretched, he becomes a big person or a big. The word for big is ta. So you have run and you have ta. Now, if I write these two words together, it automatically makes a sentence saying, okay, the man is big. You don't have to use the word is in this case. All right. So run ta is a complete sentence. Now I'm going to teach you two more words. The opposite of ta is xiao. So it is almost like two eyes and one nose. And that's the word for xiao. Xiao means small. So if I make run xiao, it's a small person. All right. Now the word for a door is also easy to remember. It looks like a door with one straight line, one dot, and another door like thing that comes out. Okay, so this is the word for door. Now that ta, if you remember, if you put it a little dot onto that ta, it becomes thigh. Thigh means TOO, two, very two. Okay, so here's a complete sentence, and I think you should be able to read it. The first word is run, thigh, ta. The man is too big. And man, the door, man, thigh, xiao. The door is too small for him to go across. So I think you're able to read this in just no time. That's how the characters are. So this is how we teach the language. A lot of people come to us because they're businessmen and want to interact with their counterparts. Many professionals come to us. Nowadays, a lot of students come because they get an early start to the language. A lot of children are also learning with us. I think this is the best time for you to start learning the language. Let us know and we'll be able to help you.